Thank you for taking the time to view this stunning T-Roc here at Redditch Volkswagen Trust Group UK. This T-Roc is covered by Volkswagen's approved used car programme. This is the design specification with the TSI petrol engine, 6-speed manual with electronic handbrake and auto hold, and it's finished in the gorgeous, one of my favourites, turmeric yellow metallic paint with the black roof and wing mirrors. Comes with front and rear ultrasonic parking sensors, rear tinted glass, the black cloth upholstery with the yellow detailing, as well as you can see, the interior trim finished in the same turmeric yellow colour. It really brightens it up. The design comes with the app Connect, turning your compatible smartphone into things such like satellite navigation, streaming music, talking on the go, but you also have digital radio, phone Bluetooth and various media options. 2-zone climate control air conditioning, 2 USB ports, 12-volt socket, multifunctional steering wheel with adaptive cruise control with speed limiter, and the mileage on this car, yes, to confirm, this car has done just 6,904 miles. And that's just a very small preview as to what the T-Roc has to offer. So to find out even more, call the sales team at 01527 883300, or alternatively, please submit your inquiry via online.